Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Geeta's UPSC Corner. So friends, in this video, I will be sharing you a preparation strategy for UPSC 2024 exam. Okay, so let's get started into the video. So in this video, I will be sharing a perfect strategy for UPSC. So for UPSC 2023, we have only 1 month left for prelims. Okay, so in general, every year UPSC conducts its prelims in May. So let us have a perfect study plan for 2024 prelims exam. Okay. So we have only 13 months, 7 days left for UPSC 2024. That means from this 7 days of April to next year 20. Sorry, here I have written May 2023. It is not May 2023, it's May 2024. So up to May 2024, it is 13 months, 7 days left. So overall, we have 3 stages in UPSC. It's prelims, mains, and interview. So we have core subjects also like history, politics, geography, economy, and science and technology. So also we have some basic subjects like English comprehension and general mental ability. So from April onwards, these 7 days. So only we have 7 days left in April. So these 7 days, we have to do a syllabus analysis plus previous year question analysis and also selecting optional subject, and we have to finalize the resources of the books we have to study. Okay. So in May and June, we have 2 months. These 2 months, what we have to do is, first, we have to read daily newspaper. We have to do read newspaper of Hindu and Indian Express both by selecting the important editorials and important comprehensions of useful for the prelims and mains exams both. And also, we have to read monthly magazine of Yojana and Kurukshetra of April month and May month also. In May, we have to read April month. In June, we have to read the May month. Like that, we have to study the monthly magazine of Yojana and Kurukshetra both. And also, we have to study any 2 subjects of your choice. That means I will study polity and economy. So these are my, I have made a choice of these. So polity, we have to read NCERTs and standard books. Economy also NCERTs plus standard books. Also, we have to start reading optional subject from May itself only. So in May, I have my optional subject is public administration. So I will read public administration. So according to your choice, your optional subject, you have to read. You have to read that. So you have to start reading the optional subject also from May and June only. And CSAT preparation daily. So you have to prepare for CSAT from May itself only, because so as preparation, as lakhs of aspirants are going to prepare, so preparation is exam paper is going to be tough. So we have to prepare for CSAT from now onwards. So we have to practice. So practice makes man perfect. So we have to prepare for CSAT from May only. And note one point, NCERTs, how many times you will read the NCERTs, so you will be excellent in basics. So you have to read NCERTs for at least 5 times. So I will be reading at least 5 times. So I have mentioned that 5 times. So it is of your choice. You can read of 5 times, 3 times, or 2 times. So at least you have to read 2 to 3 times. So I will be reading it for 5 times. And also, this is for May and June month. So we have to read the newspaper and monthly magazine of Yojana and Kurukshetra, and also 2 subjects of your choice, that is polity and economy. I will read polity and economy, and you have to read of your choice, and also optional subject, that is public administration and also CSAT. So we have to read NCERTs thoroughly so that we can excel in basics. So this is for May and June. So the next one is July and August. These 2 months we have to read newspaper. Newspaper reading is daily newspaper reading. Throughout our preparation, we have to read newspaper daily. It is mandatory to read the newspaper. Okay. So Hindu and Indian Express both, and also monthly magazine, as I already told you in May and June months also. Here Yojana and Kurukshetra of previous months. That means July, May, June, and July also. So these 2 months monthly magazines, that so that you can know about the schemes and every social aspects of the in the country. You will be covering in Yojana and Kurukshetra. So these Yojana and Kurukshetra magazines are very mandatory in the UPSC point of view. Okay. So, and the next is any 2 subjects of your choice. As in May and June, you will be covering polity and economy. So here in July and August, I will be covering history and geography. So in history, I will be reading NCRTs plus standard books. You can read 11th and 12th class Tamil Nadu state board books also. So here the geography is about GC layout. I have already made a video about standard books for UPSC. So you can refer that standard books in that video. And also optional subject, you have to read public administration paper 2. In the May itself, you have to complete paper 1. And in July and August, you have to complete paper 2, so that you can get the overview of what the syllabus and everything. And also you have to make the notes of polity and economy of June and May, what we have read in May and June, so that you have to revise and make notes of it. And also have said CSAT is mandatory, so you have to prepare CSAT daily. So daily you have to read newspaper, monthly magazine, and CSAT. CSAT, monthly magazine, and reading newspaper is mandatory for every month. And subjects is of our choice. We have to plan according to the schedule we have. So the next is September and October. So already I told you, reading newspaper daily, the Hindu and the Indian Express, and also monthly magazine Yojana and Kurukshetra. So this is mandatory, September and October, and also CSAT. So in September and October, we will be covering science and technology for 20 days, environment for 15 days. And the remaining days, we will be revising history and geography and making notes of it, so that we can revise and we can practice for mains also. So notes making is very, very important for mains answer writing practice. So history and geography revision and notes making is September and October of the previous months. Okay. And also in the remaining days, we will be covering other small subjects like international relations and governance and ethics. Sorry. Here it is, ethics. So here ethics 20 days, governance is 10 days, and international relations is 10 days. Okay. So we have to revise each and every about. So these subjects we have to revise thoroughly. Okay. So these are important in mains answer mains in mains point of view, but also some points maybe in prelims we will be getting questions from international relations also. So we have to revise each and every subject of these three. Okay. And also history and geography revision and notes making. Okay. And the next is November and December month. Okay. So in the November and December month, we will be again covering newspaper daily of Hindu and Indian Express, both, and also monthly magazines of Yojana and Kurukshetra. Okay. So in this November and December, we will be covering a small subjects like disaster management, Indian society, international security, social justice, and these four subjects we will be covering it November and December. And also in November and December, we will be making notes and revision of September and October subjects like science and technology, environment also. And also some part of international relations and governance also, we will be making notes of these subjects. So reading newspaper daily, monthly magazines, small subjects like disaster management and Indian society, internal security and social justice, and also making the notes of these September and October subjects. As well, we will have to practice CSAT daily. Okay. So we have to do revision of each and every subject of these small subjects. Okay. This is up to November and December. So we have got a overview of up to May to December, right? So from January, Jan to May, we will have to concentrate only on prelims. So let us have the detailed strategy for January onwards. So from January, we will be reading newspaper daily, The Hindu and the Indian Express, and also monthly magazine of Yojana and Kurukshetra. So we will be reading current affairs compilations from either Drishti IAS or Vision IAS or Insights IAS or Rao's IAS, whether it is of your choice. You can read 4 or you can read only 1 according to the choice you made. So I will be covering from Drishti IAS onward. So Drishti IAS, they will be covering each and everything in detail, and also the schemes covered and background of schemes, everything. So I will be covering my current affairs compilations from Drishti IAS only. So after that, polity, economy, and geography revision plus previous year questions analysis. So we have to read newspaper daily, monthly magazines, and also current affairs compilations. So from May 2023 to August 2023. So these 4 we have to read. So 4 per week. 1 week we have to read one uh, 1 month, and the other week we have to read 1 month, like that. So we have to read 4 of these months. Okay. And also we have to practice CSAT. So monthly compilation of January also. So we have to revise for January also. Okay. So there is no time left. So we have to cover January also. So we have to do revision at least 2 to 3 times. Everything what we are reading should be revised 2 to 3 times so that we can get an overview. So practice makes man perfect. So it is the important for UPSC point of view. Okay. So revision makes you excel in everything. You can, if you revise many number of times, you can get a overview and idea of what you are studying. Okay. So this is the overview of January strategy. So let us see February. So in February, we will be reading newspaper daily and also monthly magazine, also current affair compilation. So in January, you have read from May to August. So in this February, you have to read September and December compilations. Also, we have to read history, science and technology, environment, international relations and governance, along with PYQs. We have to revise these subjects with PYQs also. Also, we have to read CSAT daily. So, CSAT, we have to practice daily, and also compilation of January and February, both. Okay. In March, So in March, we will be having daily newspaper analysis of Hindu and Indian Express both, and also monthly magazines of Yodhan and Kurukshetra. Apart from this, we will be studying current affair compilations from Jan and Feb, Jan 2024 and Feb 2024 both, and also revising all the subjects. Okay, and also CSAT and monthly compilation March. It is of our choice. We can read or you cannot, but we have to focus mainly on test series in the March. From March onwards, we will be focusing on test series only, and also revision part. Apart from this, we will be focusing on ARC reports and 3 years action agenda of Niti Aayog, and also essay writing practice. Okay, so this is the overview of March strategy. So coming to April schedule, we will be having daily newspaper Hindu and Indian Express both, and also monthly magazine Yojana and Kurukshetra both. And here in current affairs compilations, we will be covering March and April, and also revising all the subjects and CSAT. CSAT is mandatory in every month, and also monthly compilation of April month also. Okay. So we will be focusing on test series. In the May month, we are not going to read anything new. We have to do revision and test series and daily newspaper. These are the things we will be covering in May. Okay. So no matter how much you read, want to tell you that keep on practicing. So I have already told you, practice makes man perfect. So how much you read, it is no matter. How much practice is mattered here. So practice makes you man perfect. Okay. So this is the thing I want to tell you at the last. So thanks much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Geeta's UPSC Corner. If you have any queries, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Thank you for watching.